All right, so welcome guys, welcome again, another session. So yeah, let's open the first trade. As you can see, guys, here, I'm opening a a short position. So 100% this one is going down as usual. So I'm trading here at the Quotex on a Quotex, and I usually trade on IQ option. I use the same strategy that I use on IQ option. I'm using it here on Quotex, and I hope that yeah, yeah. Hopefully, I will make at least the next 9 or 10 candles. I know the exact colors. I know how to trade all the colors, all the candles, and I'll try to take the max profit. So we're starting at $88,000, and yeah, from $88,000, I guess, yeah, we will make at least $2,000. So yeah, we made our first $310. Great, $310. Let's see. Yeah. So this one is going to be a green candle. I'm 100%. So if you are interested, guys, in learning this strategy that I'm using here, I invite you to go and take a look at the course in the description below. In the course, I will teach you everything about the strategy I'm using, about how I trade binary options, how I predict the colors of each candle, how I'm successful with my tradings. I will teach you some principles, some basics of binary option trading. The course is done on IQ option, but the same rules apply here on Quotex. So yeah, don't worry. So yeah, as predicted, this candle was green, and this one, either it's gonna be a red candle, so either it's going up, or it will be, sorry, either it's gonna be a green candle or a smaller red candle. Yep. I just made another $410. Yeah, $410. Let's take a look. All right, as usual. Let me just take a look. Wait a minute. All right. Again, this one is going down. 100% sure. This is here. It's going to be created. A red candle is going to be created. So as usual, I'm using parabolic SAR or parabolic SAR, and I also use this Bollinger Bands. I use the RSI. I use my trading chart patterns. I use so I use plenty of good stuff that you can find on the course in the description below. I use how I trade and how I decide which candle is going to be to appear next. Yep, another win. Great. Let's see. We still have more chances. Yeah, we still have more chances here. We having a flip. So this is a resistance line. So once you understand the strategy, once you learn the strategy, you will be able to understand what I'm doing here, because this is somehow easier. Yeah, in this case, easier. Sometimes I found it harder to predict the movement, but once you are 100% with the strategy, you know it, you master the rules from the strategy, then you can be able to predict exactly what's going to be happen next. All right, I guess I still have more. So this signal will not end here. We still have more chances. So all right, guys, what I'm not a financial advisor, by the way. This video, yeah, this video is not made for entertainment purposes only, but what I can tell you is don't depend on anybody else. never buy what are called signals. There's some scammers that will try to sell you what's called signal. Please don't do it. Don't buy from them. Please try to generate your own signals. Try to understand the market. Try to trade with your knowledge, not with what they told you to do. So the only thing is to learn. Try to learn the indicators. Try to test different indicators. Try to test different chart patterns. Try to understand the color of the market, the trend of the market, and I'm 100% that with time you will be better and better and better, and then you will start making profit on your trades. So that's what you need to do first. You need to learn. Don't depend on anybody else. They will try to sell you signals. They will try to mentor you. No, say no to everything. Just learn, and keep learning. All right. Yeah. The same rules that I use here on Quotex are used on same rules are used on binary in IQ option. You can use the strategy on pocket option. You can use the strategy also on Olympic trade. Any platform that allows trading, any platform that allows binary option trading. So this is the level that I believe that it won't go over. It's going down. 100%. So the next candle is going down. All right. So any platform that allows binary option trading, you can use the strategy on and with no problem. All right, no problem. So here, a red candle is gonna be created next. 100% a green candle. So this one indicates that we are having a green candle. So once you understand the strategy, don't worry. Once you understand my strategy, you will be able to once you understand it, you will be able to all right, great. A red candle was just created. Let's go. Now it's flipping, it's bouncing back, a reversal. The strategy will help you predict some chart patterns, predict what the market is creating. You can use different history. So great. Yep, this one is going to be over this line, so we are going to have a candle that ends over this line. And as you can see, guys, I'm trading with $500. I'm using the 1 minute timeline or expiration time. I'm trading on Euro USD. We made $410 again. Yep. I believe that this one is the last candle. The last candle. Right. I'm making 82%. So every time I invest $500, if my prediction is 100% right, I'm making $410. So that's 82%. And in total, I will get paid $910. So 410 plus $500, that's $910. The same strategy, guys, the same strategy. Don't worry, the same strategy. All right, so the RSI, the SAR, the parabolic, the RSI here, and the Bollinger Bands. So this one, or Bollinger. So see you later, guys.